Hi friends, I am Sri Hariharan. Topic merge sort. The merge sort of algorithm divide and conquer algorithm sorts an array first breaking down into smaller array and building the array back together the correct way so it's sorted. Divide the algorithm starts with breaking up the array into smaller and smaller space until the subway array only contains one element and concur and the algorithm merge the small space of the array back to the putting lowest value the first of resulting in a sorted array, the breaking down and building up array to sort array down and recursive in animation above each time the bars and pushed down and presentation a recursive call splitting the array into smaller pieces. Bars are lifted up, it means the two subarray have been merged together. The merge sort algorithm can be described like this. How to works? Divide unsorted array into two subarray half size of the original continue divided sub-array as long as current piece of array are more than one element. Merge two sub-array together by always putting lowest value. Keep merge until there are no sub-array are left. Take care to drawing below is to see a merge sort work in difference on respective. As you can see, array the split into the split switch of merge sort like together. Manual run through. Step 1. We start the understood of the we know constant of the element.